23 Crosstrek Sport. So, to get into the passenger side, we need to remove this shroud, which is this and this. So I turn that Phillips counterclockwise and then pried it up. This side I've already turned the Phillips, and now I'm just going to pry it up. And then after prying it up, you just wiggle it out. Pretty simple. The other one too. And then that piece should just pull right out. Alright, this is the passenger side. And turn counterclockwise, I believe a quarter turn. And then pull it straight out, just like that. So I'm using gloves so that I don't touch any part of the glass with the oily fingers. To release this clip, you push down where my thumb is, right here. And then it unlocks it, and then you can pull the bulb out of that socket, or out of that clip. This is that plug that came out of there. So see how it expands out? That's what it's designed to do, to hold it into place. So putting it back in, it's expanded, so carefully work it back in there without breaking off any of those 4 tabs. And then after it's in, then you push that top piece back down into place. Okay, so one is in. Noticeable difference. So I've got the light out, same quarter turn counterclockwise. And if you've got big hands like I do, then I'm going to take this off, which again is, you loosen that up, pull it out, and then this whole piece should just rotate out of that. So rotating it out of the way like this was all I needed to do to get my left hand underneath here so that I can grab and then press that clip with my thumb like I showed you on the other side, pull it apart. The headlights, the brights, are directly inside of the right there. This is the driver's side one, and that has the quarter turn, just like the driving lights, the headlights. So the one you're looking at is the brights, and the headlights are those ones right there. For the headlight adjustment, up and down, this is the driver's side, and the passenger side has the same exact one. Driver's side fog light, down underneath, we need to remove this guy, which is a screwdriver to pop that down, and this guy, where's my finger? There it is. Right there. Screwdriver to pop that down. Okay, I'm going to say that mine was a little stubborn coming out. Okay, so this just kind of pushes back in. And then I was able to reach up back behind here, which behind there is the fog light, and do the quarter turn on this. It's the same exact housing as the headlights. And it has the same exact clip right here that you press, and then you can pull that out.